Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we will be cash stuffing my Etsy check. So let's lay out this money on the table and get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is put my coins in my coin jar. I didn't really collect that much this week. Put this to the side. Guys, there's construction going on outside, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. Once I edit this video, if I hear that it's too loud, then I might just add some music in the background. So I really apologize for that. So we will be stuffing $655. That's how much I made on Etsy this week. So let's start with my cash envelopes. So church gets $20. I'm gonna do a $20 bill. Home Essential gets $5. Laundry gets $10. I'm gonna do some singles this time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank God the construction stopped. For now, I guess. Family Time gets 20. And personal gets 20 also. Alright, so let's get right into my sinking funds. But before we do that, I do need to take a sip of my coffee. Oh no, here comes the construction again. I'm gonna push this a little bit back. And zoom this. Alright, so like I mentioned on my last video, everything you see here I do have in my shop. My shop is currently on pause until Friday because I had so many orders to complete this week and to ship out. So I will open it back on Friday, this Friday. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so bank deposit, this is to stuff any auto pays like my utility, my rent, in which I am doing that this Saturday, so stay tuned for that video. Yes, you're getting 2 videos this week, so stay tuned for that. I also mentioned that I have this cute little stinky fun cheat sheet where you put all the names of the categories on the side, and then on the right side you put how much you stuff for every week. Alright, so let's get started with Julian, my son. Julian gets $25, 20, and a 5. So Julian now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 92. So 92. Mason, my other son, also gets $25. It's a 20 and a 5. So Mason now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, $92. $92. Milo, my puppy, is getting $100 this week, and that's because my vacation date is coming up and I need to make sure that I have enough funds to pay a dog sitter. So Milo gets 100, so now he has 100, 200, 20, 40. That's 240. Let me move this to the side. So that's Milo. Okay. Student loan gets $20. Like I mentioned in my last video, I will continue to stuff this envelope even though everything is on pause right now. So student loan gets 20, and now it has 20, 40, 60, $80. It's, oh gosh, 0. $80. Okay. School supplies gets $15. So kids are going back to school in September. I have 2 boys. Okay. So school supplies now has 20, 30, 40, 45, $50. Birthdays gets $10. We're gonna do a 10. Birthday now has 20, 40, 50, $60. Okay. Guys, I want to show you this real quick. I actually made this past weekend. This is a Christmas savings envelope, and it looks like this. It's clear like the other envelopes, but I wanted to make it, you know, stand out more since Christmas is my favorite holiday. So I think it's cute. So like I said, it's clear in the front, and then it has this double-sided Christmas cardstock in the back. It's also available in my Etsy shop. And also, if you guys are returning viewers, last week I had $5 in this envelope, and then I stuffed $10 on my subscription, and that was the error. Instead of putting 10 in my Christmas savings, I added it to the subscription. So I fixed that error, and now we have a $10 in there. So Christmas is getting 5. So Christmas now has $15. Vacation, it's getting $200, and that's because, like I mentioned, I am going on vacation very soon. Oh God, now the fire department, fire trucks. Okay, it's not here. Okay, so vacation now has 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 320. Oh my God, what's wrong with every time I write a 0? Okay. Emergency gets $25. 20 and a 5. So emergency now has $20, $40, $60, $80, $85, $90. Okay. Family savings gets $25. We're gonna do a 20 and a 5. So family savings now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, $90. $90. Okay. Dream Home gets $25. Again, we're doing a 20 and a 5. So Dream Home now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Wow, a lot of these have 90 so far. Okay, subscriptions gets $5. And this is for like yearly subscriptions. I know next year around March I have to pay for my kids' gaming system subscriptions. And I like to have that there, you know, just in case I start piling up. So subscription now has $10. Okay, savings challenge. So because I got paid more than what I expected this week, I did mention last week that I was gonna do either $85 or $70, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do $100. So for this savings little paper, whatever, I did print it out and I just put it inside the envelope because I noticed that when you make envelopes, well, when you make these savings challenge envelopes and you write on the back of it, when you mark it with a marker, it sometimes stains the envelope behind it. So this is why I have it like this, and I think it's better. So we're gonna stuff $100. Where's my highlighter? Give me 1 second. So we're doing $100. So put this back here first. Oops, wrong way. So that's 250s. I don't count my savings challenge because I want to be surprised when I do finish all of them to count how much I have. Even though I do know how much this savings challenge is for, I just want to be like, oh my god. So I don't count my savings challenge. And the $1 challenge, we didn't get any leftovers from my cash envelope this week, so this is not getting stuffed. And that's about it, guys. Remember, there will be another video coming up on Saturday, and that's where I will be doing my my bank deposit, which is my bills, my utilities, and all that stuff that I only do twice a month. And I also will be stuffing my sinking funds. So stay tuned for that video on Saturday. See you on the next one. Bye.